Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to stop battery drain on Android phone, a very simple solution. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you found this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing we need to do is to head over to our phone settings. So I'm going to simply scroll down right here and then make sure I click on my settings right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here on the search right here. What you need to do is to simply type in my phone. Then you have my phone right here. Simply click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and go to fashion info. Click on fashion info. It's going to take you right here. What you need right here under build number, continue to tap it until you enter developer mode. After you have successfully enabled your developer mode on your Android phone, next thing you need to do is to go to settings, then come to search from the top, then type in developer, then click on developer options. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down, all the way down, all the way down, scroll all the way down, and make sure you look for Wi-Fi scan throttling. So click on that. So when you enable this button, it reduces battery drain and improve network performance overall on your Android phone. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.